Welcome, friends. Are you tired of hearing your washer bang and clang and shimmy across the floor when it's in its spin cycle? Today we're going to try to remedy it by replacing the suspension rods. Unplug the power supply and turn off the hot and cold water. Let's disconnect the hot and cold water supply lines. Let's remove the drain hose with the channel locks, squeezing down on the hose clamp. And this cover panel. Apply a piece of duct tape to keep the lid closed. With the screws removed from the back, simply pull the top section forward, push back a little bit, let's pull up on the suspension rod, removing it from the seat and the little cup. Let's do the same to the other side, pulling up on the suspension rod, removing the seat, and removing the cup. I've laid the washer down for easy access. Just push. Let's put the new one in. Attach the small support spring that is hooked to the balancing ring. Let's put our cup in place. Now let's repeat this on the other side. And with the cup. And now the seating bracket.